Welcome to Get Started with Figma. Hi, my name is Heidi, and I'm an experienced trainer, and I like to say I'm a lifelong learner. We all see apps and pages on websites every day. Today in this project, you will get to see the inner makings of how this is all designed. Figma is a web-based graphics editing and user interface design app that works on your browser. What does that really mean? You can access your projects from multiple devices without installing software. You and others can work on the same file in real time, taking the project from brainstorming to prototypes. You can use Figma to design briefs, create storyboards, reduce complexity on websites, and even design your CV or resume. In this project, we will go through the steps to learn about the application to develop a web page or homepage for your own app that looks something like this. If this is your first experience with Coursera, I want you to notice that on the right side panel, you see my cloud desktop. I am moving my cursor right now. On the left side, the big cloud desktop is yours. This is a hands-on project, so please watch what I am doing and follow those steps on your own cloud desktop. If you need to pause my instructions at any time, please bring the cursor on top of my cloud desktop and click the pause button. If I'm going too fast or too slow, you can increase or decrease the speed of the task we are working on by clicking the speed button below the pause button. Let's get started on this project. First off, you will need to create an account with Figma. You can do this through your Google account or with another email address. You will need to add your name and industry, then verify the new account in your email. Once you verify the email, a window will pop up on the Figma screen welcoming you. Pause the project to get your new account set up. Once you have the welcome pop-up on Figma, you can determine your team name. The nice thing about Figma is that you can work on projects with others on your team simultaneously. Create the team name and click Next or choose to do this later. You can then invite others to work on this project with you or skip the step. Then choose the plan that you want to use. For this project, we will be using the starter option that is free. Then choose to design with Figma. You will be given the option to start from presets and templates, or you can start on your own. Use the right arrow to explore the options that you have. For our project today, let's choose the iPhone 11 Pro X option. A new tab will open and you will have your blank canvas and the option to take a quick tour of Figma. Let's do this together. Click Show Me Around. We will start with the top toolbar. The tic-tac-toe looking board should be blinking. The constraints setting allows you to make objects stay in one location on the screen that you are designing. If our home page can be scrolled down, we want the option to get the top of the page to be at the bottom right, not at the top of the page when it's scrolled through or have it disappear. We will be using this feature in our project today. The next tool blinking when you click Next is the pen. Figma has made the pen tool have the option to draw a straight line. If you click Next, the speech bubble should be blinking. You can use this to leave notes in the design file for those on the team you are working with to see. Over on the right top part of the screen, you see that you can share what you create on Figma. We will also go into more detail about the sharing options. When you click Next, our helpful tour box zooms us over to the left to the team library. We will learn about components and team libraries in this project as well. You can go ahead and click through the last few options and click Done when you have read them. Wow, you are ready to start this project now that you have created an account and learned some of the features of Figma. In the next task, you will start to design your app home page.